In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Bluestacks in just few easy steps. Let's get started. Open Bluestacks on your PC and wait for it to load completely. Once it starts, look at the top right corner of the interface. Click on the three-line menu icon to access the settings. In the settings menu, go to the Performance tab. Increase the CPU core allocation to the highest available for better performance. Similarly, boost the memory allocation to the maximum for smoother gaming. Finally, set the performance mode to high performance to get the best speed. Click Save Changes and Bluestacks will prompt you to restart. Make sure to restart it. After restarting, go back to the settings and click on the Graphics tab. Enable the GPU in use option for enhanced graphics performance. Again, save the changes and restart Bluestacks. And there you have it. That's how you can optimize and speed up your Bluestacks for a seamless experience. Pro tip: keeping your graphics drivers updated will further enhance your Bluestacks performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more optimization tips and tricks.